there, and welcome to the Laws of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Bryan Fagan, and today we're going to dive into a topic that is both fascinating and important to many parents: changing your child's name in Texas after a custody determination. As a law firm with years of experience in family law, we're here to help clients navigate this complex process, and today we're going to share with you our experience. Picture this: you're driving down the highway, listening to your favorite tunes, and suddenly it hits you. You want to change your child's name. Maybe it's to reflect your family's heritage, honor a loved one, or simply because you had a change of heart. Whatever the reason, you're determined to make it happen. Changing your child's name in Texas involves filing a petition, notifying the other parent, and attending a court hearing to prove the name change is in your child's best interest. First, you'll need to petition the county where the child resides. You'll need to notify the other parent, and if they don't agree to change the name, you'll need to attend court and have a hearing. The court will always consider the best interest of the child when deciding on the name change. Factors they may consider include the child's relationship with both parents, the reasons for the name change, and the potential impact on the child's well-being. The other parent might object to the name change for various reasons, such as a cultural or religious belief or concerns about the child's identity. In these cases, it is crucial to maintain a respectful and open-minded approach. Changing your child's name can have a long-term implication for their identity, relationship, and other sense of self. It is essential to weigh these potential impacts against the benefits of the name change. We hope this has been a comprehensive guide and has given you the knowledge and confidence you need to change your child's name in Texas after a custody determination. If you have any questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to contact the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. We're here to help. To learn more about changing your child's name and other family law topics, be sure to check out the resources and description box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.